To make it the most simplest statement, what a computer can do is to perform a task assigned by the user. Okay, everything which is given by the user, computer will do. Now, if you look at it as a task that you're assigning, how I'm going to assign a task to the computer and how it is going to do the task. How? Yeah, Bharat, anything you want to communicate?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So the task which we wanted the computer to do, that is something which is similar to that of the mathematical problem. Mathematical problem. In a mathematical problem, you are given with a particular task to be performed, like finding the area of a circle, multiplying two matrices, right? Integration of something, right? Derivations of something, some value given, finding the trigonometric value of a given input, given value, trigonometric output of a given value. Or you might have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. These are all different problems. Now, these problems are, in other terms, we also call it to be as a task. See, let us imagine very simply that I have to put some books in my shelf. Books in a shelf. There are different sizes of books. One is big, one is small, one is medium. Different sizes of books will be there. Not all equal sizes we get. Now, picking up a book and just putting it in the shelf is a task. It's a task. The task is what? Arrange the books in the shelf. Now, the problem here is how to arrange. What is the right way to arrange? What is the right thing that books are kept in the shelf properly and also taken it, while taking it also it is easy for me. That becomes a challenge. That becomes a problem. I hope you are able to understand the difference here.
Yes, sir.
You are performing a task. It's a general task given in the question, but here the problem raises when you start checking it. What is a better? What is the best? How we can solve it? How we can solve it? Okay. So when you pose this question, how we can solve it, it may not be a single way. It can be different ways. Different ways. Every problem will not have the same solution or only one solution. It will have different solutions. We are going to see it in the future where we are going to perform some operations like factorial, Fibonacci, or some other operations. We are going to see it's not only one logic. There are many logics for the same program. So now when there are multiple solutions to the same problem and you have the problem, you have the solutions, which one to pick it up? Basically what we do is pick up the one which we understand or pick up the one which is most easiest. Easy way to get the answer. But what you need to do is you have to actually check the problem. What is necessary? What is the problem? What is the expected solution? If see, many of the times you might have heard of this. If you understood the question, you can answer. Have you ever heard of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because you have to understand the problem properly. You have to know what is that you need to do, like arranging the books in the bookshelf. Now you should question yourself that what could be the right way of doing this. Now for that, if it is bigger problem, you take a piece of pen and a paper and try to solve it. If it is smaller problem, you just stand and think about it and try to solve it. Whatever the way, but you have to do you should have some plan, some way